We lived in downtown St. Paul for 10 years. We were looking for a small town. And so we'd go visit small towns, and every town we were like, we'd love to live here. We should move here. This one is like the easiest to access Bismarck, and lots of really nice people, the amenities like the trail. You've got the cow, you've got events. We have a lot of stuff at the fairgrounds. We have Country Fest that comes out every year. We've got the county fair in town. So people that live in town walk out to those things and use this walking path for that.
And it's nice you could walk along and get a great view of Salem Sue over there.
Yep, exactly. So we applied for the grant, and it turned out that the trail had degraded a little more than we thought, so we ended up needing a little bit more money, and then there happened to be a little bit more money, so we were able to do this. We're not able to do the full path, but we were able to get a good amount done, and people who have seen it have really been thankful.
It was a really competitive round.
Yeah.
You guys wrote a very good application explaining the need of this path for New Salem.
During football season, you'll see some of the football players running along the trail. Coach has them do some of that. And families that come out, I'm always seeing people using at different times of the day. Since we're connected to Rude Oil, we have visitors who are stopping and they need, stretch their legs. So this is a safe way to do that.
It welcomes you into New Salem. And then, like you said, you could see New Salem Sue from it.
Yeah, yep, exactly. So, and the area that's right in front of that shopping center has some cattails and some bird Sue. Almost, even though you're in the middle of town, kind of, you can hear the bird. I like that.
Yeah. A lot of people don't know that you don't have to do new trail construction. Like this project.
We shortened the amount that we were going to get done, but we did more extensive work. We were just looking at trying to figure out what we needed to do, and we initially thought it would have to be seal coated or something like that, but then we realized that it needed more work than that. So basically in this section we had a lot of replacements. So they had to dig up the existing trail, get rid of that, and then lay new trail.
You had a project in mind, but it changed throughout the process. And for sure with the Recreational Trails Program, we're always willing to work with our partners. If we see the need is there, we're going to fight 100% for you to make sure that you guys get what you need.
So really we're all about keeping people healthy and safe and having good experiences, fun experiences.